No space, okay? No space. Key one. Okay, so this one no longer required. So we can delete it. Okay, now it's beautiful, connected directly. Okay. Next, the other thing is we need to, when we create the graph, we want it to be of certain width. So I'm going to set the width at 300. I think it's 300. Yeah, 300. Last time I used 200, but somehow it messed up the graph. And I found out 300 is the best. So line, okay, equivalent 300. So this one is extra code, something that Zali taught me. Okay. I think Zali taught me to put line 200. I'm the one who increased to become 300 because I end up having very, very broad-based graph because the student's metric number is very long. Okay, so now I already have the necessary file. So just take note what we have done. We have generated a text file which consists of the student's answers and their metric number. Then I added the answer key, which is key one, and this was the answer key. And I added another line equals to 300, so that when I generate the graph will look nice. Okay, so file save. Okay, so now we are going to go to the next step. We're going to drag and drop the file into WinSteps. Okay, this is the file that we created just now. FF2613 OBA Rasch demo txt. So these files, okay, these files we are going to drag and drop on WinSteps. So this is how we do it. Just click on it, drag, drop on WinSteps. So this thing come out. Press enter twice. Okay. So this one has generated, in fact, what it is required. It has generated the reliability index, but this one you cannot really see it because it is mixed up in all these numbers and letters. So you want to generate the row KR20, you just click on output tables, summary statistics. So inside summary statistics, you can see the Chromebook alpha is 0.58, which is similar to what we generated yesterday from our exercise. Okay, so you remember back our exercise. Okay, let me open up the Excel file. From yesterday. So from this exercise. Cannot find it. Must be this one. Let's see whether it's this one. Okay, it's this one. So yesterday we did the analysis. Yes, the row KR20 is 0.58. Row KR20 is the reliability index. Okay, is the reliability index. Okay, I'm going to close one of the WinSteps window here. It is no longer required. Okay, so there is the other one is the standard error of measurement. So standard error measurement, where's the text file? Okay, here it is. So standard error measurement is 1.7. This one is 1.88. So lebih kurang. Okay. All right. So we got the answers already. Oh, sorry, I'm looking at the. Okay, correct. Look at 0.58, 1.87. So correct. All right. But the whole point here is the analysis. What we're interested in, if we don't have the Excel file, can we check whether there were any problems with the questions. So to check for whether there's any problem with the questions, we should be doing what we call the plot. So the plot will tell you what questions or what items are problematic. Okay, and the block plot helps me to come up with the answers very, very fast. Okay, let's go and look at the plot. For me to get the plot, okay, right now I'm not sure whether you can see this or not. I'm hoping you all can see, because I know the zoom tend to cover the top part of the graph. Let's see whether it's still covering or not. I'm going to go back to my, okay, it's not covering. Okay. Okay, so let's run the plot or the bubble chart. Some people call it the bond plot. Okay, so I'm going to click on plots. Okay, bubble chart. So you're going to get a very busy slide. Okay, this one, so many information that you have to select. Okay, so because we're interested in the questions, whether there's any questions that are problematic. Okay, so what we're interested is in the infield. We're going to look at the standardized ZSCD. Okay, what is important afterwards when you click OK? You want it to be based on the questions. So the questions is the label. Okay, so otherwise you don't know which question that is problematic. So click label. It will trigger the Excel file. So it will trigger the Excel file. Okay. So looking at this, I can say for sure there is no problem with my questions. There is no problem with my question. How do I know that? So you see this logic. The good logic is in +2 and -2 for the item. Okay, +2 and -2. Okay, and the logic applies both ways. This one is the logic for the difficulty. This one is the logic for difficulty, the measure of difficulty. Why I use the term measure of difficulty? Because I don't want to confuse you all with the difficulty index. Remember, the measure of difficulty under Rasch, the higher the value, the more difficult is the question. So you can see here, the most difficult question is OBA 11. We already covered this last week, where I mentioned that this is a question based on SLP, self-learning package, and that self-learning package is horrible, very hard to understand, and nobody reads it. Personally, I'm not surprised that nobody reads it. I also cannot understand. Okay, so OBA 11, only one person got it right, everyone else got it wrong. So that's why it is the most difficult question. If you look here, the logic of the difficulty is 7. The logic is 7, which is very, very difficult. And it has a big bubble. This big bubble is 0.6 of the real standard deviation value. Okay, that's why if you put at one value, the value of 1 for the width of the bubble, you end up covering everything, that's not help. So you just take 0.6. So you can see already that comparatively, it has a large variance. The next difficult question is question number 4. The question number 4 is about the rabies outbreak in East Malaysia. Again, not many people were aware of it. So this is logic 4.6. Question 30 is a statistical question on conclusion. Basically, we're testing whether the students understand the difference between a cohort study, a cross-section study, and a case control study. So the question was based on a case control study. So the conclusion should be based on a case control study. There were 2 answers that were correct there, but one is based on a case control study, the other one is based on a cohort study. So very few got it right. Okay. Okay, that's why this one is a bit difficult. So how do we know the questions are good? The questions are good when it is between -2 and 2. -2 and 2. If any of the items are here, then you have a problem. Then you have a problem with discrimination. So you have to check the key if the question falls here. Since the questions are all over here, then we don't have much problem. Okay, how about this area? According to Prof. Trevor Bond, if the items fall here, it is too good to be true. It is too good to be true. But I have done this many times for many years. I've gone through each one of the items that came out here. And to me, they just showed correctly that the good students know the answer. The poor students don't know the answer. So anything between +2 and -2, you are okay. So this is the bubble plot. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. The other thing is that trying to show to the persons in charge whether your questions are fair to the students. Because basically, lecturers could either be making the questions too hard or could be making the questions too easy or just nice. So we want the questions to be able to discriminate the students from good or poor, yeah, and they are of the correct level of difficulty. For us to know that, we should do what we call the right map. I know it sounds right as R-I-G-H-T, but it is right as a person's name, W-R-I-G-H-T. It's based on the person's name, Benjamin Wright, the person who wrote the book in 1974. Okay, so what is the table? The table is the variable maps or the right map. Okay, how do I know which table to select? It is from practice, it is from hands-on tutorial. They don't have a clear guide and what is suitable or not. Okay, so now you get the right map right now. Okay, you cannot see everything, but now you see why I need to be 300. Let's zoom out. Okay, now we see everything. Okay. We are almost seeing everything. You zoom out again. Okay. Okay, this one is showing the ability of this verb. This one is showing the difficulty of the items. Ability, difficulty. The top items are the most difficult question. The bottom items are the easiest question. The top person are the most able person. The bottom person are the most disabled person. Okay. I need to answer this. Okay, so this we mentioned V11 is the tough question. Okay, how do we know the questions are suitable or easy or hard? Okay, you can see the mean ability of the student here. This is the mean M. This is 1 standard deviation. This is 2 standard deviation. So we have the term T is for 2, S for standard deviation, M for mean. So mean, 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviation. Mean, 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviation. Of course, this one is positive, this one is negative. So this is the mean ability. So therefore, if the questions, the items are well matched with students, the mean of the items should be at the same level as the mean of the ability of the students. Right now, the mean is way down, way down. So basically what the system is saying, Dr. Azmi is a very nice lecturer. He gives very easy questions to the students. So in fact, most of the questions are very easy, except for these 3 questions. This one is the questions on the legislation. This one is the questions about public knowledge. I mean, you don't want doctors that don't know what outbreak is going on in their country. Okay, so that's one question there. Then OBA30 is a question that's trying to differentiate whether the students understand the difference of the study design and what kind of conclusion they can make. Okay, so these are the 3 questions that were hard, but the rest were very, very easy for everybody. For everybody. Okay. However, you can see the line. These are the poorest students. These are the poorest students. Inside this exam, everybody passed. Everybody. So how do you know you will pass? You see this one, log 0. This A14112, he got 15 out of 30 questions right. So everybody passed. Everybody passed. So this one got the lowest mark, logic 0. So remember logic 0, you got 30 questions, means you got 11 questions right, 11 questions wrong. Okay. Okay, so logic of 1 is 0. So in fact, you can guess the marks by looking at the logic value. Okay. All right. So I think we covered this part, the right table, already explained clearly. Okay. So this is how I know that Dr. Azmi's question is too easy. But of course, the most important thing is the marks. The only reason I use this Rasch regularly during exam, because I just want to use it to generate the marks very fast. Okay, so let's show you how I generate the marks. Why I don't use U-series one? Okay, if you look at U-series one, damn hard, man, to extract the marks. Okay, I just open up the file R1. R1. Do I have the R1 here? Let's see under downloads. R1. I did open it. I can always open my email and show you why I don't like to use R1. So I'm looking for useless file. Okay, useless entities files. Okay, send me the marks. Okay, I'm going to share with you how the R1 looks like. Okay, I better download it so that it'll be clearer. Okay, hopefully you can see this. Okay, confident jangan ajar. For all I know, you're not seeing this. Okay, let's see whether, okay, Facebook. Okay, I'm showing you the correct one. Okay, so you can see here, the reason why I don't like to use useless output, because it's a mess. It's a bloody mess. Basically, we just need 3 columns. We just need the raw score. Okay, the raw score. We need the metric number and the percentages if it is in 30%. So this one we prefer for 30%. But right now, if I want to use these marks, it is everywhere. Okay. If I try to clean it up, you can see when I copy and paste, okay, I'm just going to show you what I put when I copy and paste. It's like this. The spreadsheet has got merge cells, so it's difficult for people to use the marks. So you need to be IT literate to use this mark. So first you have to do this. You have to cancel the merging of files. Then you have to delete whatever you don't want. Okay, delete. So much useless information. Delete. When what you need is only the raw score, in fact, and the metric number. So I'm just going to delete the rest. What's the point of the grade? Because this one is not really the final marks. Okay. So now, see all that blank spaces. So if I copy and paste, even worse, this thing is not sorted according to metric number. It is not sorted. So what I have to do now, data, sort by nombor pendaftaran. Click OK. And then your data become usable. It become usable. Barulah ianya boleh ditekan. Okay. So that is why I see because there is too much work. So how do I generate the marks from Rasch? Okay, it is a very simple command. Okay. Okay, how I generate the marks? I click on output tables, person, in by order of entry. If you remember, we have the, okay, you also have alphabetical order, same. Click OK. Okay. So what is the order? I want to order by the metric number. Okay. Okay. But of course, this one is the wrong one. We want it to be in form of files, Excel file. So for Excel file, it's under person file, P file. Sorry. It's P file, not pedo file, P file. So So what do I want to generate? I want to generate a permanent file because I want to keep the marks. Okay, so the labels must be there. Click OK. Okay, so I'm going to put markah OBA. Okay. So it will trigger the Excel file. So this is the file. Okay. So everything that I need is there already. Okay. This is the raw score. This is the entry. This is the metric number. Okay. So what do I do? Delete. Delete. For my purposes, the only thing needed is only the score. The rest are not required. The rest are just extra analysis that I don't need to generate for my marks. So what happen now? So I need to come up with the final marks. So for me, since I used based on 30, so this is my final marks. Okay. So this one is the measure of ability in terms of logic. Of course, for my purposes today, I don't need that. Okay, so just delete. Okay, so I just highlight this thing, data, sort by metric number, by name, click OK. Okay, so now I got all the students' marks that I need. And this one is clean data. So this is clean data. I can just copy and paste. Copy and paste into the big table of marks that we have of the students. Okay, so that's one. I can generate marks directly without relying on unit peperiksaan dan data, and there's no need for me to disturb usury for this. I just need the raw text file. So what else is good? If let's say when I did the analysis and I find any of the question has got the wrong key, in normal practice, I will have to call up usury and tell him, usually question number 11 has got the wrong key. I need you to change the key to so and so. So he has to go to the master text file. He has to go and find it, change the answer key to the new answer key, put it back into the system and generate the new marks. For me, there's no need to do that. If I want to change the answer key for any questions, okay. Remember just now question 30, the students had problem with the answer. Okay, if you look at question 30, yeah, the report. Okay, this is the report. Okay. For question 30, I'm going to look under R6, and the R6 you get to see all the answers. Okay, question number 30, most of the people answered B. Most of the people answered B. So if I want to change B as the answer for question 30, example, just example. I'm just going to do a demo. So I just go back to the text one. Okay, I'm just going to go back. So let's close this one. Okay, I'm just going to go back to the text file. The phone ding dong non-stop, I don't know why. Okay, So this is okay, this is the original one. I'm going to disturb the original one. I'm just going to play around with the demo one. So the demo one is here. Okay. So I want to change the answer for B. So B, the last one is of C. I'm changing it to become B. Okay. So B, save. So now when I open up this file, okay, I already changed the answer key to become B. So this one I want to generate new marks. I just click drag and drop on the Rasch. I click on output files. Sorry. I first have to get the system to analyze it by pressing enter twice. Okay. I click on output files. Okay. And you can generate the marks, the new person's mark from here. Person file, P file. Okay. Permanent. Click OK. Tukar jawapan demo. Tukar jawapan demo. Okay. So now you can see these are the new set of marks. How do I know it's different or not? Okay, you can just run a quick analysis. Okay. I'm going back to WinSteps. I'm going to come up with the right map. Okay. If you look to the right side, okay, percent T has become much easier. Percent T, instead of being so high up now, it has dropped down here because I already changed the answer key. Okay. All right. So I think that's it. Okay, how do I know? How do I know how to drop it? So as you see, this one 57. Most people answered this one, whereby the correct answer was this one, C, 52. Okay, that's why I changed to 57. All right. Okay, so that one was just demo. Of course, the correct answer was still C. Okay, not what I showed is now where I change it. That one just for a demo. Okay, and that is why knowing Rasch helps you a lot whenever you are trying to generate marks for your students. It gives you some sort of independence. You can do it yourself. There's no need for you to disturb the unit exam. As you can see, I can generate all the index on my own. So there's no need for me to disturb the unit professor and the data. Been doing this for many years already. So I'm glad that I know Rasch has been helping me even for the research of my students. So whenever we try to generate the marks for the questionnaire, measuring whatever items or instruments, we can just use Rasch to generate the marks. Okay, so it's very easy. All right, and with that, I think I can stop the session for today. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Bye-bye.